Man, it's really snowing out there, huh? And then cue the laugh back. Yeah, it's a Whisking. How you doing? Lucy, you got some explaining to do. I guarantee my neighbors think I'm crazy. Welcome to my first ever, unless you count the cat episode. Welcome to my first ever IRL stream where I'm gonna be making pancakes from the one-shot episode. I have no clue how this is gonna go. I don't usually cook anything. I have this recipe open right now. There's like hazelnuts here, there's sugar. I have all the ingredients here. Steven, wait a minute. We got Steven with the 50 gifted. Thank you so much. I don't know what to say. I'm literally blushing. I don't know what to say. Are you guys finally ready to do this? Here we go. The very first thing that we have to do is line a baking pan with parchment paper and then chop up the hazelnuts into big pieces and toast on medium low. Yeah, this is what I'm cooking on right now. I'm pretty sure this is actually not super necessary, but we're gonna do this anyway. Okay. Step one, done. All right, step two, chop up hazelnuts. So we got hazelnuts right here. Okay, look how big these pieces are. Like these already aren't very big, but I also don't really know how big is a hazelnut regularly? And also how many do I need? A half a cup. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna eat the rest of these, I think. Nico wouldn't be upset about this. Do you cook often? No. Is it not obvious? All right, here's the half a cup. So I'm assuming, I'm doing one chop, by the way. One chop and we're done. Beautiful nut. Okay, great. It says toast on medium heat. I don't feel like this is gonna be enough. Look how big this pan is compared to the nuts that I just chopped up. Granted, I dropped a couple, but I mean... Also, you guys take a look at this real quick. Does this look burnt to you? I'm not gonna lie, it kind of smells burnt a little bit. By the way, a Maury reference. But I don't know if I cooked them long enough, honestly. Allow nuts to cool, remove loose skins, which is what I'm about to do right now. Put nuts back in clean pan along with the sugar. Toast on medium heat while stirring constantly until sugar is melted. Hang on, look at this. You guys aren't even gonna recognize this pan. Watch this. You guys are gonna be like, damn, pan, you come here often? Look at that. This thing is glowing, by the way. Guys, I have half of mine to just rinse these nuts. Rinse these nuts in underwater. Okay, how much sugar do we need though? A quarter cup of sugar? I don't even think we have a quarter cup, honestly. I might just eyeball it. That's like almost exactly half. Okay, now we gotta turn the heat back on medium, I believe. And then cook for, toast on medium heat while stirring occasionally until sugar is melted. Okay, so there's no time limit. There's no time limit here, we just have to do it until it's done. Is this gonna turn into liquid in a second? It takes time, but yes. Turn off the lights. Oh, someone did a lights color change? Turn off the, okay, can somebody turn back on the lights? I can't do this. This is not safe. Oh, wait! I looked away for 2 seconds. I looked back and the sugar's actually melted. Wait, you guys were not gaslighting me? It's like a golden brown. So I imagine we probably want to space these out a little bit. Did you? Okay, that time you 100% heard that. Oh my God. Wait, this is like candy. I'm gonna skip to step 2 as these nuts are cooling. We graduated from part 1, we're going to part 2. Okay, cut butter into small pieces. All right, so what do we need? 2 tablespoons of butter? Yeah, so right there, you guys see that? So we need to cut that much up and then cut the butter into little pieces. We're just gonna cut right through the paper because I've seen my parents do that. Cut right through here, and then we can just take the paper off this. Can I please turn the lights on? What do you mean these pancakes look mid? It is literally a stick of butter. I'm not joking, you guys, the hazelnuts are popping like Rice Krispies right now. Can you hear those little crackles? This is small enough. These pieces are small enough. So we're gonna add one full cup of sugar. Cooks will tell you you need to clean this stuff out after you use it. Don't listen to that. Just do whatever's faster. I'm not cleaning it. Guys, this is the way Santa would want me to do it. And I would know. Look at me. They don't teach you that at the North Pole. I'll tell you that right now. They don't teach you that. Okay, so this is a half cup. How does that? This looks about even to me. By the way, any normal person would miss this. The recipe called for 1 cup. Are we looking at 1 cup? No. We're looking at 1/2 cup, so I have to put 2 of these in. This is what I like to call a pro gamer move, where you can actually see there's some missing sugar on the sides. Now, an ordinary person would miss that, but Santa would not. So I'm actually gonna put a little bit more here. Oh, what even is this? Is this supposed to be in there? Watch this, ready? Bang. Now look at that. It looks like a little anthill. You guys see that? Can you guys see the little ants crawling around in there? Now that, and then a 1/2 cup of water. And by the way, Gordon Ramsay could not make this more level. God. Add sugar and water to saucepan, whisk well. Okay. Now, here's the thing. I'm not rich enough to have a whisk. I don't have the money for that. Oh, wait, is this a whisk right here? Ooh, that actually kind of looks nice. Now I think we're adding the molasses, which by the way, the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Okay, look at that. You can't get much better than that. Not even a little bit. Okay, number 2. Watch this. I need absolute silence. W. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the heat back on for this thing. Can you guys see that? We're supposed to let that mixture simmer for 2 to 3 minutes and then add butter. Oh my God. Okay, look at this. I kid you guys not. As soon as I added the butter, the smell went from like really good to like, I literally can't even explain it. I'm not joking, you guys. I may as well make my YouTube channel into a cooking channel. Okay, now, I believe the recipe says, oh my God. It said immediately remove. So here's what we have so far. We've done this. This was step one. They're candied. I think I'm supposed to chop them up with a knife to make sure they're more fine. And then we have the syrup there that's officially done. Step three is where I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes, I think. So we need a frying pan. I 100% have to watch that. Santa did not get to where Santa is by playing nice. Let me put it that way. Most people need to follow a recipe. Champion of the Fools just needs to follow his instincts. This is not hazelnut. That's green. What was I cooking that was green? Like, I don't even know what to tell you guys. That's literally glowing. Now, I would use a dish towel to dry the pan, but I don't care about the environment. I'm just kidding. I don't know where it is. Step one, separate egg. Place egg whites in clean mixing bowl set aside. Okay, egg separator. We are not going to use an egg separator, and I'm gonna show you guys a legitimate pro gamer move. Shout out if you know the store HEB. Here's the mixing bowl we're gonna use, right? All right, watch this. So you crack it like this, and you kind of break it a little bit. It doesn't matter if any shell falls in, but you just like toss the egg back and forth between the two shells. And yes, your hands get messy, and yes, Nico talks about that, whatever, you know what I mean? Whatever. Bro, who can afford an egg separator? Like this saved my life at one point. So this one says half a cup of buttermilk. And by the way, we're not washing this because we've already put water in it. All right, here we go. Here's the buttermilk. Yo, this is like clumping out. Oh, and by the way, half a cup of buttermilk. Sift together dry ingredients into a third bowl. Mix any larger pieces, hazelnut chunks by hand. This is all-purpose flour that I bought specifically for this stream. Okay, so half a cup of flour minus 1 tablespoon. So we gotta be careful about this. I think Santa's hairs fell into that. That's pretty level, right guys? I'm going to scoop out. How am I supposed to know who's supposed to be able to do this? I think this is actually perfect. And I'm 100% not joking. Next is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. That's about the same as cleaning something, right? Okay, that's actually not bad. Right in. 2 tablespoons of hazelnut flour. We're not using hazelnut flour. Yo, I'm being honest with you guys. Please don't report me to the one-shot developers for using almond flour. Wait, look how weird this looks. This looks like wood shavings. This looks gross. But we need two tablespoons of these, so we're basically making almond hazelnut pancakes, essentially. Okay, what else? 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And by the way, you don't need to clean this. You could just do this. Making the pancakes is the hardest part by far. There's the first one. This is definitely overflowing, so I'm gonna do a lighter one on the next one. Okay, now some of you might think, oh my God, there's a big gap there. Yeah, but my other one was overflowing. And also, I tend to like things on the less sweet side. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. By the way, this is the first time we're using a teaspoon. This one, you can actually do this pro gamer move right here where you do this. Wait, that's terrible. Look how flat that is. That's perfect. 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna eyeball this together. This is a half teaspoon. So I'm gonna do a little something like this. Watch this. It's like a pinch. That's probably exactly 1/8 of a teaspoon. So we can mix this up. You guys ready for this? Yo, look how nice that looks. It looks like Christmas snow. You see that? All right, that's probably good, right? I'm gonna set this up to the side. And now we need 3 tablespoons of whole milk, which by the way, we don't need to clean this. We just need to do this. Watch. Squeaky clean. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Now the only other thing that we need to do now is I think I'm gonna add 1 extra egg white into this. And then the other egg yolk is gonna go in here. Yo, we're turning up this Christmas. Listen to this song. So that's probably good. I'm gonna put the rest of this in here. Now you can see the egg yolk sitting there. This alone smells good. Just buttermilk, milk, and the egg yolk. Okay, now look, you can still see little chunks of the yolk there. We gotta get those MFers out. Pour dry ingredients into the buttermilk mixture. Fold with rubber spatula. Rest for 20 minutes. Guys, we're doing 5 maximum. Okay, let's do that. Do not overmix, by the way. Most people would miss that, not this guy. So it says pour the dry ingredients into this. Bro, this is gonna end terribly. Hang on. I'm actually so nervous right now. By the way, let's sit for 20 minutes. That's gotta be a joke. Guys, remember, don't overmix. I know a lot of you guys probably want to overmix. Yo, this smells good, actually. Look at this. Gordon Ramsay couldn't do a better job, by the way. This is the pancake bowl. What the chimp am I doing with this? Beat the egg whites to stiff peaks. You can tell it's done if you can turn the bowl upside down without anything falling out. What? What is this, Dairy Queen? I'm not doing that. All right, here we go, here we go. Okay. All right, here we go, here we go. How easy would that have been with an electric whisker? Salmonella speedrun, guys. Do you understand who you're dealing with? Like, I've basically graduated from guy on computer to guy who beats egg whites with hand until they're stiff peaks. Fold egg foam into rested batter until evenly incorporated. Use immediately. What does that mean? You know how much self-discipline it's taking to not just lick this off my hand right now? All right. And, oh, look at that. I've never seen this in my life. So I fold this like that. This is what it looks like right here. Okay, that's good, right? All right, here we go. I'm afraid I'm gonna drop the bowl. Look, I'm gonna give this little guy a pat on the head because it's a big chunk and he's not breaking up. By the way, I'm sure Prototype would be totally fine with that. Oh, it's supposed to have parts in it? Yeah, but look at that big bowl. Look at that big one now. This little guy just deserves a couple of pats on the head there, see? Yo, this is actually looking pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It looks like marshmallows. No, stop hitting it. Bro, you guys are being so dramatic. Okay, look, ready? And now you guys know that I'm not playing around anymore. All right, how's that? Does that look okay? It's good? Okay, cool. Last step, preheat pan on medium heat with enough butter to coat the bottom. Pan is hot enough when a drop of water added to the pan sizzles. Okay, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna coat the pan with that. I'm assuming this is what it means by just coat it, by just let it slide around. Anytime butter gets cooked, it smells amazing. I think it's pretty much good, right? You guys ready for a little water droplet test? Oh, that just sizzled. So I'm going to actually turn the heat down now, and we're gonna add our first cup. Yo, you hear this banger? This is kind of a banger right here. Wait, ready? Listen to this. What song was that? All right, here we go. I mean, guys, you literally can't get more perfect than that. Here we go. That's about 10 centimeters in diameter. Wouldn't you say Prototype? Yeah, 4 inches is small. I mean, it's for a pancake. 3, 2, 1. Oh, and go! No! Doesn't look bad, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Just ignore the part right there, but the pancake looks good, right? I'm legitimately exhausted from whisking that egg white. Okay, here we go. Yo! What did I tell you? That was exactly 3 minutes, by the way. And look at that MFR. And this is, by the way, you can't teach this. Now, watch. Look at this, ready? You guys are watching pancakes being made and listening to the butter sizzle. All right, here we go. And by the way, 4 inches is fine. 4 inches is more than enough. Can we talk about that for a minute? Pancake. And I mean, I'm telling you right now, you can't tell somebody how to do that. You have to have the intuition. Okay, that's perfect. That is perfect. The stack has started. All right. Every time before I used to make pancakes, they always used to get burned. The fact that I'm cooking them like this right now it feels good, man. No, seriously, it feels like the nuts are hollow. Say whatever you want about that, but seriously, it feels like the nuts are like, it doesn't feel like they're, thick. It feels like they're empty. I swear to God, I'm not trying to make a joke right now. The nuts feel drained. Does that make sense? That's what they feel like. I'm not trying to be chiptual here. Ooh, hey, all right. Can we Mr. Rogers this and just take a second and just talk about how this is actually going quite well? I'm ending the stream. This has been the worst day. Okay, that's a little bit more burnt than I would like it to be, but it's okay. I'm gonna recoat this in butter. That's probably too much. I'm not gonna use all that. I'm not gonna use all this. All right, never mind. I was hoping only some of it would fall in. Yo, you can really hear that butter sizzling. I cannot explain to you guys how good this smells. Just the melted butter alone. Honestly, I might just dump this mixture in without even using this and just make one big pancake. You guys ready for a mega pancake? Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 ba-da-dum, bum, 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 ba, 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 ba. Dee da 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 dee da 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 dee da 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 dee da 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 da. Behold, mega pancake. Wait, hang on. This is what I like to call a pro gay move. W. Okay, because there's more to this pancake than there previously was. I'm putting the timer for exactly 4 minutes. And I actually don't think there's anything anybody can do to stop me. Honestly, guys, I don't feel good about this. I actually don't think that this pancake is done. I'm gonna use my best judgment here and not flip it yet. Because you guys have to understand, this is a bigger pancake. All right, let's try it now. Ready? Let's try it now. Here we go. Oh no, did I wait too long? Crap. Oh, did I wait too long, my chimp? Yo, you know what'd be crazy? Okay, imagine this. Imagine right here, my white. All right, here we go. Oh my God, you literally cannot make this up. And this is a bottom stack too. This is a bottom stack. All right, let's take a peek. Oh, that looks incredible. W. All right, now it's time. I'm gonna take a slab of this. Because that's what Nico did. By the way, I feel like people that do this put way too much butter on, but I'm just doing this like this for a presentation, I guess. So we're gonna do that. All right, here we go. I honestly, I can't describe it to you guys. This smells so mother effing good. Okay, all right, last one. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna treat this like an ice cream cone, right? Where you put sprinkles on it. All right, here we go. Ready? I'm so happy. I'm literally so happy. Looks, yeah, hang on, let me get one final view here. Look at this. Look at that rimping chimper, by the way. Like you wanna be here? At the end of the table looking at me from here? Okay. I'm cutting right down the stack. This is how you do it, by the way. Oh. I have to show you what this looks like. Okay, before it was all together, but look at that. This is actual cake. This is actual cake, by the way. All right, hey, you guys want a quick bite here, real quick? Ready? Quick bite, and then I'm gonna start eating. Let's see if Nico's mom actually knows how to cook some pancakes. Y'all ready? I'm not joking, you guys. This is by far the best pancakes I've ever had in my life. By far. And it's not even close. All right, I'm gonna take one more bite real quick. One more fat stack. Look at this. That's 5 pancakes back to back. And the candied hazelnuts are so good. The candied hazelnuts are incredible. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Merry Christmas to those who celebrate Christmas. Merry Christmas to those who don't celebrate, because everyone celebrates Christmas. All right, guys. Peace. Man, it's really snowing out there, huh? Yeah, so Whisking, how you doing? Lucy, you got some explaining to do.